Hello everyone, today I'm excited to share a tutorial for a simple crochet flower pattern. This is a quick and easy project, perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a charming floral design. Let's get started. I'm going to be using 2.5mm crochet hook with the milk cotton yarn. First we will start with a magic ring, so wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times and then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through the ring. This is the magic ring. We will start with round 1. There we need to chain 2, 1 and 2. Then work a double crochet into the magic ring. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Again yarn over and pull through 2. And then chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then work 2 double crochets together. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops. Again yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is 2 double crochets together. Again chain 4 and work another 2 double crochets together. 1 and 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. Again chain 4 and work another 2 double crochets together. 1 and 2. Again yarn over and pull through all 3 and chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again work 2 double crochets together. 1 and 2. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Again chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I'm going to pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like this, and then work a slip stitch on top of the first petal of the flower over here into this stitch. So insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our first round. Chain 1 and cut the yarn by leaving a little tail, because we are going to change the color into the next round. Now I'm going to hide the tails by using the yarn needle like this, and then cut the excess pieces of yarn if you have any, and this is what it looks like. And we will join the new color. I'm going to insert the hook into any one of the chain 4 spaces and pull the new color yarn through the space like this. Now we have a loop on our hook. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now I'm going to work over this tail so that we don't have to worry about hiding the tail at the end. I'm going to keep the tail like this and work the rest of the stitches, and then work 1 double treble. So yarn over 3 times, insert the hook into the same chain 4 space, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 5 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double treble crochet. Again work 1 treble crochet, so yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a treble crochet. Now work 1 double crochet, so yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Again work 1 treble crochet into the same chain 4 space, and then a double treble crochet into the same chain 4 space, Now chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then work a slip stitch into the same chain 4 space. Now we have completed our first petal. It looks like this. And then we will go ahead and work another petal into the next chain 4 space. So go into the next chain 4 space, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Now we move the loop into the next chain 4 space. Now chain 6 and then work 1 double treble crochet, again work 1 treble crochet, and then work 1 double crochet into the same chain 4 space. Again a treble crochet, and then work 1 double treble crochet into the same chain 4 space. Again chain 6 and work a slip stitch into the same chain 4 space. Now we have completed 2 petals over here. Just repeat the pattern and complete the other petals as well. Now I'm at the end of the work. We are going to work a slip stitch to join the last petal here, and then go ahead and work a slip stitch into the starting point as well. Now we have completed the round, and then we will leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. After that, we can use the yarn needle to hide the tails like this. And there you have it. Thank you for crocheting with me. I hope you enjoyed creating this simple flower pattern. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. And for exclusive patterns and extra tips, check out my Patreon and see you in the next video.